To use movie filters from CapCut on your photos in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, open CapCut and then tap edit, tap edit, tap photo editor and then select photos you want. For example, this photo, tap add and then swipe left toolbar, find filters, next tap filters and then swipe left, filter details, find movie and then tap movie. Now you can use movie filter for your photos. For example, this. Okay, this filter and then tap check to save. Select export to save on your gallery and then tap done if finished. Now you can see your photos on your gallery. Simple. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.